I caught me a big body Benz. We touching paper for real niggas rapping pretend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this look that was inspired by the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I loved this palette. I will insert a picture on probably this side, right? I'll move over so you can see it and see me at the same time. I really like this palette. I growing up was such a purple fan, such a purple fanatic. My color as a twin was purple, my sister's was pink, so purple just stuck to me, so this palette called to me. I was going to order it, and then I said, Sherelle, hold on, look through your extensive collection of single shadows and see if you can get a dupe for anything in this shadow. And lo and behold, I did, and that's just going from looking at the picture on the screen to what I have in my palettes. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, I guess on a budget, right? Please continue to watch. I use glitter as well. It wouldn't be a Sherelle video without glitter. So yeah, hopefully all is well with you guys. If you guys have not subscribed, I am here Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload. And yeah, if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. But hopefully all is well with you guys, and please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed, and I'll see you there.
like two out the door. Then you have magic.